Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the text to video feature in Canva to turn your ideas into a video or image. So here, I've already on the Magic Studio page in Canva apps. You can see there is a text to video feature, so you can dream up your video and turn it into a reality. So just click on this. Okay, so you can just add your idea for an image or video and watch Canva with the Magic Media generates it for you. So let's try Magic Media. Okay, so here you need to tap on the video toolbar below. Here just describe a scene that you want to generate. For example, house. Okay, for example, like this. You can choose to generate videos or image. Here I'm going to try maybe just image. Okay, let's try again. Oops. Okay, now when you're done, here you can also choose the style filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy or anime. Let's try maybe filmic. Then click on generate image and just wait for the result to come out. You can see this is the progress, so just wait and be patient. So within seconds, the image that you write before the description, a man standing in front of a blue house, will be shown like this. So you can just choose which result that you like the best. For example, this one. Then here you can add it to the page, or you can add it in a new page. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.